SAFe, or Scaled Agile Framework, is a way to scale agile development. Agile development has proven itself to be an extremely powerful model for small teams. It's a fast way to get the right products delivered with sharp priorities and to get stuff out of the door for development teams. The problem comes when we are talking about large teams, many teams, big programs where several teams has to work together. And here, SAFe has a model for scaling up Agile by using the same principles as worked in small Agile, but scaling them up at the program level and at the portfolio level.
Men i stedet for så vil vi sige, hvad har vi her i dag? Vi har release engineer, det er mig, der spiller release engineer. Vi har selvfølgelig vores executive business owner product manager, Soren Grundtvig Westh fra vores samarbejdsfirma Avanti, som har stor praktisk erfaring med det her. Og så har vi jo selvfølgelig også vores enterprise arkitekt, Jesper Thaning, som står herovre. Det er os, der kører simuleringen her i dag. Og nu tager jeg så min release engineer kasket på, så nu er vi velkommen her til releaseplanen. Nu skal vi have 2 dage sammen. Der bliver dog en pause, hvor jeg kan tage hjem og sove, og så mødes vi igen. Men nu skal vi i løbet af 2 dage planlægge det næste program increment, som jo er de næste 10 ugers arbejde.
At the core of SAFe, we find program or PI planning. Program planning is unique and maybe the only real magic in SAFe. In SAFe, everybody involved in a program will participate in a planning event the same time and probably the same place. The people doing the work are doing the planning. First of all, this creates ownership to the plan. Everybody gets involved in the program and problems will be caught much earlier than they would otherwise be. Planning a program increment is a ritual. Rituals are important in agile development. In this ritual, the scene is set with the problems to be solved and capabilities and features to be developed. That's the overall goal for the next program increment, which normally is an 8 to 6 week period. On the agenda for the day is a presentation of the overall business goals, then the themes or features for developments. There will also be focus on what in SAFe is called the architectural runway, which means the level of architecture development needed to ensure that the architecture supports both the features that are to be developed now, as well as features that are planned for the near future. With that input, the teams are supposed to select, estimate and break down work into user stories and give a commitment to how much they believe they can do. During this planning event, which normally takes 2 days, very often teams will identify dependencies to other teams, and one of the really cool things with SAFe planning is that these dependencies are addressed while planning. Teams or representatives for teams talk and decide how to manage the found dependencies. Often you will observe small depeches going from team to team to make agreements on deliverables and scheduling future talks that are needed before future system delivery can be made. In the simulation game you see here in the video, we are planning to build a small village in Lego in 20 weeks. It's a product, key-ready villages where people can move away from the hustle and bustle of big cities to the safety and comfort of a small village with the newest technologies. There is a lot of intertwined things needed to be developed in order to deliver on time. Dependencies are solved by teams collaborating on delivering the pieces of the village they have committed to, and teams work with other teams about getting things made in the right order and to get things they need from each other. 2 days program planning is an intensive, funny and energy-giving process. Many are afraid to do it because they think it will cost too much or that they are not able to be ready for such an event. But the cost is minor compared to the gains that comes from a better program execution, less errors, less dependencies, and far better ability to meet the business goals of the program increment. And guess what? You are ready. You will be ready to do that. If you schedule this event, it will happen.